Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet crepes that are easy to make and delicious. First, you put an egg in a bowl. Then add sugar and salt. Mix a little. Then add about a quarter of milk and mix well. Now add flour. Now it's quite a thick batter. Add about half of the rest of the milk to loosen the batter. Then you add the rest of it. You add the milk gradually to prevent the batter getting lumpy. Nicely mixed. Finally, add melted butter for nice flavor and mix. The butter is done. Now you start cooking the crepes on non-stick pan. You turn the heat to medium and spread oil with tissue or kitchen paper like this. You pour the butter from a jug as you tilt the pan like this. I recommend using a jug instead of a ladle so that you can adjust the amount of butter easily. After a minute or so, the surface is dry and the edge is a little crisp. It's ready to flip. You lift the edge and flip. Please be careful, it's really hot. The other side only needs 30 seconds or so. If the crepes don't have nice color, please turn the heat up a bit. It shouldn't take too long to cook. The crepes are cooked. Now we're working on fillings. Today we have mango and chocolate banana. I'm showing you the easiest way to cut mangoes. You cut the cheeks of the mango. Then score the cheeks 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Just 2 lines and 3 lines like this. Pop the inside out and cut the chunks off the skin. I suppose this is the safest way as well, since mangoes are quite slippery. Now you whip up some cream. You put whipping cream and sweetened condensed milk in a bowl and whisk until soft peaks form. You can always use an electric beater. You aim these nice soft peaks. Beautiful. Now assembling time. You put prettier side on the bottom. That will be outside. Spread about 3 tablespoons of cream on the center, slightly closer to you. Then place some mango pieces on top. Cover the mango with the end of the crepe near you. Tuck both sides in and roll. Mango crepe is done. Next one is chocolate banana. You slice the banana in angle like this. Then you spread about 1 tablespoon of Nutella or any chocolate spread you like on the crepe. On top of the chocolate, you spread about 3 tablespoons of cream. Then place some banana pieces. Cover the banana with the end of the crepe near you, tuck both sides in and roll. Chocolate banana crepes done! Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.